should probably get up. I've got a lot to do today. Time is one of the most important things in this world. It's the only thing you can't get more of. Personally, I like to write down all the things I have to do at the beginning of the day, and then just go through that checklist one by one. The next thing on the to-do list was to text the landlord. I dropped my keys down the elevator shaft the other day. It's gonna be $210 if I want those keys back. Them keys. I lost my house key and one of my bike keys. Thankfully I have a spare bike key, so I'm being extra careful with this one. I'm going to return this adapter to B&H. It ended up being the wrong piece. It's about $500. It's costing me $20 to send it back. I think return should have free shipping, but what do I know? New state, same problems. It is a hot day here in LA. I've done 2 of my assignments so far. Checked 2 things off the to-do list. We dropped off that package to B&H. I'm kind of happy that that was the wrong piece. You can kind of see it went a little too wide when I put it on my camera. That's why I had to return it. But I ended up saving like 80 bucks when I bought the other one. About to check off the 3rd thing on my checklist today. We're making this restoration video, so about to see how that goes. This shoot went really well. We have 2 12-year-old pairs of Jordan 1s that we're trying to ice the soles on. Not only was it really nice to just get out there and create something, but the results were fire. I just got home. It's been a long, productive day. About to get into this last thing on the checklist.